Hello everyone, and today we will introduce you to the new version of the intermediate distribution at Ubuntu. Ubuntu has 14.10. So, in front of you is the desktop of Riot 14.10. As you can see, visually practically nothing has changed, except for some kind of small buttons in the Nautilus. We will launch the Nautilus like this, and it has changed a couple of icons, some other small buttons here. Well, naturally versions. It uses the latest up-to-date software, Core 3.16, or Office for 3.2 and 2, Firefox 33, Hunterbeer 33, Nautilus version 3 and 10, Evans 33.14, Rhythm Box 3 and 3, Unity 7.3 and 1. Well, of course, Unity is already a little worn out, old. So, I will also read the changes that were in the server version. These are OpenStack 2014 1, Worth 1, 2 and 8, Cam 2 and 1, Che Manager 032 1, 1 Cloud Ini 0, 76 Docker 1 and 2. You won't believe it, these are all versions that is, these are all the changes that are essentially here. And this is an intermediate distribution. I didn't think it was so bad that you would get a 9-month stable release, because the fewer changes, the more stable it would all work. Here, most likely, probably version 15.04, will be something very bomb explosion will be. Something not very unusual, and probably not for nothing. They are trying to do something now, and they just made an interim release, in which there is a minimum of some external appearance. More tests will probably pass. Something under the hood then on some external changes. To be honest, do not download, put yourself better 14.04 there, and 1 or 2, and everything will be stable. This is the version for the tester. Here, for those who register on the dashboard, and will then send error reports. Here, but if you are in a very big hurry, you want the latest version, please, you can download these. Download the image from the Ubuntu sites. The image weighs 1 and 1 gigabyte. Here, it just makes sense if the kernel version is more stable in this at 14.04 else. And download for the sake of a slightly updated core, which can be put either way at 14.14. All software updates can be delivered through repositories. Well, unless you can get a boring autumn fight. Here, although they have not all been updated, let's say the default old wallpaper remains like this, and it seems to me that programmer Popov will be dissatisfied. In general, this will be a big problem. That's it. Autumn is a case of runny nose. Well, what can I add here? I can tell you here for a long time that here's this, here's that. Well, I honestly didn't notice anything visually. I respect the developers and Ubuntu, despite the fact that they cooperate with a site like Amazon. Here, so they did not make the distribution without visual changes for nothing. So it is necessary. If it's necessary, I'll start. I will finish this review, because there is basically nothing to review. Here, in order to get to know Ubuntu better, see the reviews at Ubuntu 14.04. Somewhere is a stable version. The fact that all the changes that are here 3-4 clicks can be made at the Riot 14.04. Have a nice day.